gravity, and turn rates of up to 1,500 feet. Whether you're a dogfight or avoiding surface area hazards, the ability to superman turn at very high speeds gives it a tremendous tactical advantage. Ladies and gentlemen, Super